In this guide, you'll learn how to amend your taxes on TurboTax. Start by launching TurboTax and signing into your account where your tax return is saved. If you already have filed your taxes and need to make changes, go to the tax year for the return you want to amend. In TurboTax, look for an option that says Amend, Change, Return, or similar. This option is usually found under the File section of your return. Choose the tax return you want to amend. TurboTax will prompt you to confirm that you want to amend your tax return. After selecting your return to amend, TurboTax will walk you through the steps to make connections. Whether it's correcting your income, deductions, credits, or other errors, you'll be able to input the correct information. Once you have made changes, TurboTax will recalculate your return to reflect the new information. It will also calculate whether you owe more taxes or will receive a refund based on the amended information. After making sure all the changes are correct, you'll be prompted to print or e-file your amended return. TurboTax will generate a Form 1040X, which is a form used for amendments. Depending on the year and situation, you may need to file the amended return by mail. Some states and the IRS may require you to send the paper form rather e-filing. If your amendment results in owing additional taxes, TurboTax will prompt you on how to pay that amount. You may be able to pay directly through the software or via other payment methods provided by IRS. After submission, keep track of your amended return by reviewing your IRS account or using tools like Where's My Amended Return. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.